Thank you, honey. Ayun na, honey. Banan pa ka naman? Banan? Love you, honey. Look, honey. It's not, oh, it's not. Tignan mo kayo, Han. Ito. Tama na. Okay na, oy. Sabi, oh. Tonight, just give me one more chance to make it right. Look, guys. It's 5:05 in the morning. Yeah. Oh, di halos sa mukha. First break. Break. Managwata. The time is Tunawa. Tayo. May ganit nagpaperta. Sa Nang mabali akong hawak. Take a change. Just relax. Take it easy. Kay vlogera. Como es? Casey. Casey. Nagsulat slime. Book crystals glow in the dark. The necessities. Study day. Nagkuhan si Casey kanina. Casey. Kinahan siya dadi ini patarog sa salug. Okay, bata daw siya. Okay. Kuan daw happy daw siya ani. Okay, kinahan daw siya creativity daw na. I love you, Casey. I'd hold you, I'd need you, I'd get down on my knees for you and make everything alright. If you're in these arms, I love you, I please you, I tell you that I'll never leave you and love you till the end of time. If you're in these arms tonight. Para ugma sa iyo, hard-boiled egg, my favorite. Sa mga kahuban, kanya akong karoon akong